Meaning of indigenous.
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 Indigenous. The term indigenous refers to something or someone that is native to a particular region or environment. It often implies a connection to the land, culture, and history of a place. Indigenous people are those who have lived in a particular area for generations and have their own unique traditions, languages, and ways of life. The term is frequently used in discussions of colonialism, environmentalism, and human rights. Recognizing and respecting the rights of indigenous people is important for promoting diversity, preserving cultural heritage, and fostering a more just and equitable society.